Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a quick, small, tiny little haul from Home Depot. We're going to also unbox the items, take a look at them, talk about them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Hope everybody is doing well. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so before I take what's in the bag out of the bag, want to give you guys a quick little tiny sneak peek. We got some other Ryobi tools coming to the channel. So I got Ryobi Accessory Kit here. I got the 18-volt lithium cordless chemical sprayer. That's a 1-gallon sprayer. I got the 320 psi, 0.8 gallons per minute, 18-volt cordless easy clean power cleaner. And I got the new Dewalt 5 amp hour 550 psi power cleaner, tool only. And we got little accessories for this power cleaner as well as normal power washers in that bag. So that is a little sneak peek. Alright, so let's get into this. I told you guys I had lots and lots of stuff coming to the channel. I picked up 2 items from Home Depot. This item, just a pair of the diagonal cutting pliers. I call them dikes. You can call them angle cutters. You can call them quite a bit of things. Diagonal cutters, like Dewalt calls them. These are the 8-inch that are angled slightly. So these are product number Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 74274. Didn't really take much to take those out. Near flush cut, uncut nails cut with traditional diagonal, cut with DeWalt near flush. Low cut edge for near flush cut. Angled handle provides leverage and hand clearance for prying. Low profile tip for prying nails and staples. So these are the only pair that I physically found that you cannot see through the jaws at all. I'll turn this light on. You cannot see through the jaws whatsoever. There is definitely, they're not like perfectly flat on the back, even though they do look flat. They are not perfectly flat, because if I put them right here, yeah, they actually are pretty flat. There is very little pivot. So if I hold it right there and I try to push it up and down, there's very little pivot. So these are actually pretty dang flat. These are the best ones that I could find jaw-wise. There is only a slight little pinpoint that you can see through, which is down here in the little corner. It's not really easy to see. There you go. So that's the only thing that you can see through them, which is really, really good, because it's really hard to see on this side. A little bit of roughness on the casting right here, but other than that, they cut. No issues with this hard plastic. No issues at all. So they cut well. Picked those up. They were 18. I think they were 21 bucks. So we're going to put this aside. We're going to just put these here. So I picked this guy up, which is a multi-angle measuring tool. Adjust shape for custom stencil, floor and wall tiling, carpet and decks. Now I have a similar one just like this, but it's a cheap one I paid like $2 or $3 for at Walmart. That's this guy right here. The reason I picked the Husky up is this one's plastic. This is the, I've used this several times. I like it, works very well. Just didn't want to have just a plastic one. So this guy right here is part number 1005155-066. Multi-angle measuring tool. Says aluminum structure for durability. Adjust the shape, then tighten the nuts for a reusable custom stencil. Precise and accurate shapes and cuts. Adjust shape for custom stencil, carpentry and decks, flooring and wall tiling. So the reason I picked this guy up is because it is aluminum. It looks like the entire housing is aluminum. So we're just gonna pop it out of the plastic real quick. So just quickly popped it out the plastic. So this is definitely aluminum compared to this guy. I'll move this out the way. So I have to pick these up. You can tell that one's plastic. Drop this one. You can definitely tell it's metal, aluminum. I also kind of like, nice touch, I like the little red knobs. Very, very nice touch. Looks like these might be nickel-plated screws. They may even be partially stainless. They're pretty shiny. I'm thinking they might be stainless. Or nickel and a couple of other items. Very, very nice. Do all kinds of shapes with them. There's a K right there, a backwards K. Let's flip it over. It's a K. This is exactly the same. I'd assume, let me see, 25 millimeters, 25 millimeters, 10 inches. So I can move these guys out the way real quick. Exact same length. The aluminum one is a little bit thinner in thickness. Let me grab a caliper real quick and we'll measure the thickness between the Hyper Tough green one and so the Hyper Tough green one is pretty thick. It is 13/64, 3/16. 13/64 or 3/16. Let me check. 5.10 millimeters. I know it's kind of hard to see it on here. Let me try it again. That time it read at 5.39 millimeters, 0.2125 of an inch, or 7/32. The aluminum one reads at 3/16. 3/16 or 11/64, or 4.67 millimeters. or 0.1870 of an inch. So about 18 thousandths of an inch, or 3/16 in fractions. So this one, the aluminum one, is definitely a little smaller. Makes me feel a little bit more comfortable, you know, that this one is aluminum. Nothing wrong with this guy. It is a little bit flexible, kind of chintzy, but you know, I can't really complain. This green Hyper Tough one, I only paid like $3 for. This guy, this aluminum Husky one, it was $20. This one's $20. This one is $3. These guys right here were $21. It was like $48 or something like that out the door. These are very, very nice. I've got lots of flush cuts. That's another name for those, is flush cuts. I've got Crescent, Dewalt. I have another pair of Dewalt. Got Crescent. Where is it at? I got several different styles. I got tiny flush cuts, large flush cuts. So as an example, so I have this pair of Crescent flush cuts. These are little precision flush cuts. I've got these little bleeds flush cuts that I got for free for review a while back. I've got these Crescent high leverage styles. I have, these are the high leverage version of the Dewalts that are spring loaded. These you don't see through the jaws either. I like the Dewalts. The Dewalts work pretty well. I do have a few others in here somewhere in the drawer. I'm not finding them right now. I know I got probably another 4 or 5 pairs of them. But as well as I picked up, sneak peek, a small item from, a couple small items from Harbor Freight. This is just a quick video. Figured I'd show you guys. Figure it'll also give me an opportunity to let you guys know down the road how I like this guy compared to the Harbor Freight, or the not Harbor Freight, but the Husky aluminum style compared to the $3 one from Hyper Tough from Walmart. That's all I got for you guys. Nothing, you know, hugely special. The aluminum one is a little bit thinner in diameter, not by a whole lot, but it is definitely thinner. You know, I like flush cuts or dikes. I call them dikes. I use dikes all the time, especially for electrical work and even soldering, stuff like that. So now I have another multi-angle measuring tool. I do really like the black with the red. It looks very nice. It does not look pink, even though it's on the camera. Like, you know, the old Ulsa tool videos that I've done on the socket rails, those were actually pink to me, as well as the camera. Where these, they may look pink to the camera, but they are not pink. To me, they are a nice, deep, medium red. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Keep a lookout for all the Ryobi tools, some more Dewalt stuff. Got head-to-heads, all kinds of stuff coming for the channel. I got, gonna be, start buying wood from the money from the channel, because, you know, you guys are the reason the channel is monetized. Want to say thank you to all of the people that are subscribed, not subscribed, people that like, dislike, people that watch the ads on the videos every once in a while, as well as the people that use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that the channel's monetized. Every dime that the channel makes goes straight back into the channel, buying tools that I can use, as well as tools that I can do videos on that would be awesome and helpful for you guys. If you guys would like to send any hammer drills or impact drivers or drill drivers or, you know, recip saws or cut-off tools or anything like that from Ryobi 18-volt line that you guys would like to see me do head-to-heads on, please contact me in the comments, or my email is in the About section of the YouTube channel. I'd be happy to do some videos and send you guys the tools back. I do not have any plans at all on breaking any kind of tools. Just want to see what they will do on simple tasks, you know, screws, lags, bolts, you know, nuts, well, you know, everything from hammer drills to impact wrenches, you name it. These are the tools that I have available to do, or tool brands and voltages I have available to do tool testing on. Dewalt, 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. Milwaukee, M12 and M18, brushed and brushless fuel. Got Metabo HPT, or Hitachi Power Tools, 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. Got Makita, 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as I am going to be bringing a lot of the 40 volt and the 80 volt Makita tools to the channel. We got Metabo 12 volt and 18 volt. Got Bosch 18 volt core. We got Bosch Tick 18 volt. I have Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt. As well as, I'm pretty sure I'm missing a few. We got lots of corded tools. We got old Stanley. We got old Black & Decker. We got old DeWalt. Have old Porter cable. I have old skill saw. I have old Makita and Bosch corded tools, as well as I'm sure I'm missing a few. As well as we got a bunch of pneumatic tools. So if any of that interests you guys, you're going to want to smush the bell notification icon, especially for what I showed right here as a sneak peek. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hopefully I didn't repeat myself. If I did, I apologize. I got some issues that, you know, health issues that I can't overcome, but at the moment. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys stay awesome, be safe, stay dirty, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!